Hey people, welcome to this channel. I am Mahan and you're watching part 4 of this ongoing video tutorial series on HTML and CSS for beginners. Today we are going to explore links and images and how they work in HTML. So let's get started. So first thing first, I have already written certain text over here. We have seen earlier how to use paragraph, break and few more tags, and today we will be seeing links and images. So we'll first start with the images in HTML. Now to add an image, all you have to do is you have to open angular bracket, write img space. Now this tag is called image tag. Now we have initiated the image tag. Now we have to specify a source of image from where we are getting our image. Now that source either can be offline, as in our folder, or it can be online, let's say on a website somewhere. Now in order to link these images over here, we have to write src. Src stands for source, and then we have to put image source over here. By adding src, you're letting the browser know where image is located. Followed by src, you have to add another property for image tag, which is called width. Now width controls how image is going to behave on your page. So if I write nothing over here and if I preview it, you can see image is quite bigger than my page. Now let's say I want to scale it down. Then to scale it down, I have to go to width and then I have to write how much I want my image to appear, how big my image I want to appear. So if I have written pixels or nothing at all, if I write just the number, it considers it as a pixel, and alternatively I can put percentage, and that basically scales it. Now apart from src and width, there is another property which is called alt. Alt stands for alternate text, and this is useful in case of image is missing, as in let's say this image couldn't be found on your server, or it couldn't be found where you have said it will be. So in that scenario, my browser will show me this text which I am writing over here. Right. Also, this alternate text is quite useful when you're preparing your website for a SEO. Now that's how you add an image. Now just to repeat myself, to add an image we will be using tag called img. Inside of our img tag we'll be putting certain properties. The first property which we'll be putting is called src, or a source. In src property, we specify where our image is located, whether it is offline or online. You have to specify its path. Followed by that, we put width, and followed by that, we put alternate text, that is alt. Now that's how you add an image. Now apart from image, you can also add links to it. Now links is a quite diverse subject in HTML. So there are multiple types of links in HTML. One of them is built to link one page to another. The other one is built to link one page to another website, and then there is another one which basically links one page to another page but to a specific section or to a specific pointer. Now all of these links can be accessed or can be created with the help of a tag called anchor tag. Now this anchor tag can be created with the help of a So conical bracket a / conical bracket a. Now this basically converts my text into a link. But again, like I said, you have to specify where you want to link it, right? So here in the a tag, I'll be adding a property called href. Href stands for Hyperlink Reference. So let's say if I want to link it to a Google, I just have to write http:// google.com. Now by simply doing this, I have created a link from this page to the Google. Now let's test it. So if I click it over here, it will redirect me to the Google. Similarly, I can redirect myself from this page to, let's say, some other page. For this instance, I don't have any other page right now, so let me create a new page quickly right here. I'm gonna call it demo.html, and then quickly I'm going to write basic tags in it, and I'm skipping few things over here, sorry. Right, so now I want to link from this page to this page. Now to do that, again I have to create a link. Now this time around, let me use this word right here. Again, anchor tag a / anchor tag. To close it, inside of opening tag, that is a, I'll be writing again href, and I have to specify the path. Now path, there are different ways to put the path. Now the path which I am putting is called relative or relation. So basically my file, both the file, the index and the demo, both of them, they exist in the same folder. That's the reason why I can directly write in a file's name and it will work. But there are other ways of defining it. We'll see it in the later videos. So for now, I've added a link, and by simply adding a link, I've created a hyperlink over here, and if I click on it, you'll see it'll take me to the next page. And that concludes our link. So now you have got idea of how to put images in your HTML document, as well as the links or the hyperlinks in your HTML documents. I did said there are multiple type of links, so we have seen just two of them, one that links to the external website and the other one which links to the page. We'll be seeing the internal links which I mentioned earlier in the video, but in the later videos. So that's it for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video and learned something new. As always, if you have any queries, do drop them in a comment section below. I'll be able to help you there. And if you really like this video, we'll appreciate if you could just subscribe to us, like this video, and see you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.